Hello, everyone. It's Jefferson here with the learning activity. This is a presentation over, my marketing pitch. Um, to start out, we have to break our neck a little bit in order to read what it says. So that's good. And oh yeah, I'm sorry about the music. I know that can be extremely distracting. Um, Anyways, so we see it's presentation three pitch. I don't really know what he's pitching, but it's good to know that his name is Jefferson Monroe. So on to the next slide. Why we think bottled water is good. It maintains a healthy body. Body was misspelled. We need to fix that to make it spell body. It tastes good. Very useful information. The package is cool, yes, visually pleasing. I'm assuming. Plastic is good for the environment. It costs a lot of money, and then tap water is full of harmful chemicals. Looking at this slide, the text is kind of small relative to the rest of the slide, so this could lead to complications in reading. I don't see any bullet points, so it looks non-traditional, almost like paragraph style, or free verse, maybe like a poem is what he was going for. I don't know. Next slide. Here's a picture. So choose your favorite bottle of water. This is the picture slide, and it doesn't really look very good. It's kind of fuzzy. There are multiple bottles of water, and there are cups full of liquid. Some colored liquid on the left side there, and I don't think there's anything in the right side. So I don't really know what that visual representation was supposed to portray. On to the next slide. What do you think about my presentation? WUT, another red flag. Are there questions? Which type of water do you think is best? If I gave you $5 for water, what would you get? Would you get a case of bottled water or smart water? Maybe a case of smart water. My screen Omatic is covering up the case of smart water, so there's a problem. And as far as the questions go, I thought I was supposed to be asking the audience questions. I don't know. So let's get on to the good slides. Water, one of the most common elements on Earth. It's mandatory for life, has a pH value. Most water sits around the 7 pH. A base pH is less than 7, while an acid pH is more than 7. And did you know that 70% of the brain is made of water? Fun fact. And these are the types of water that I like to buy. Any questions? Thank you.